guys, I wanted to show you how to make like a big, easy, awesome salad. It's really hot today, so the idea of cooking in my kitchen with no air conditioning sounded awful. So I thought I would just make myself a salad since I picked up some lettuce and things like that. So I'm going to show you sort of a good go-to. So first off, got my containers, of course. So I'm going to do a couple green containers of lettuce. So, you know, this is really customizable to like what containers you have left for the day. I'm making this for dinner. I haven't eaten since breakfast just because the heat has not made me hungry. So I've got quite a few containers left, so I'm just going to make a really big, awesome salad. So when you've got raw greens, really pack them in there because, you know, obviously if they're cooked, they'd shrink a lot. So I like to just stuff my green container like as full as you can get it when you're using raw greens. So it's going to be a big salad. I had a challenger a couple months ago. She called these, what did she call them? A bad salad or something, like big ass salad or something. I don't know. It was just funny. I'm going to use like this whole bag. The nice thing is when you get these bags at like Trader Joe's, and these are organic greens, which I also recommend. Greens are one of the like most highly pesticide used veggies, so you know you've probably heard of that like Dirty Dozen list of vegetables that you should try to buy organic because they tend to have the most pesticides. Greens and like spinach and stuff are one of those. So there is my lettuce. You can already see this is going to be an enormous salad. Then I had half a bell pepper, so I figured for my other greens, since I have 3 greens and I haven't eaten any of them today, that I would go ahead and do some bell pepper. A green container is about like half of a large-ish pepper, so, you know, it's sort of hard with things like this that don't fit perfectly in your container. You know, I think in your booklet it says green peppers like sliced, which is just funny because most of them like wouldn't fit very well. Peppers sliced. So, you know, like I will probably slice these and cut them in half so they're more bite size. And just call that a red. But you know, if you have other veggies you like, I'm weird where like raw vegetable wise there aren't that many things that I actually like to eat raw. Peppers and lettuce are practically it. For some reason, I don't know, the raw broccoli and stuff and raw cauliflower just like, I don't know, doesn't work for me. So, got some peppers. Alright, so here's my greens, 3 green containers. Awesome. So for the rest of it, I was going to grab some sweet potatoes, so 1 second. Some leftover roasted sweet potatoes. These are my go-to recipe that's in the meal prep file. So I've got a yellow left still today, which I think is about perfect. So I'm going to do some sweet potato cubes, and since there's like 2 left in here, I'm just going to do the rest. So there's a yellow. And then for my protein, because you want protein with every meal, I've got some canned wild salmon. I got this at Costco. You can get canned tuna there too. Definitely get wild salmon. That's the way you're going to get healthy with all those omega-3s that you want. Farmed salmon is not the same. But what's nice is like a standard size can of salmon or tuna is about perfect for a red container. So, easy portioning is always nice. And then what I'm actually going to do is mix this up separately. So this is sort of one of my go-to meals in general. It doesn't have to be on a salad, but I like to do a can of tuna or salmon with, you know, most of the time you make like tuna salad with mayonnaise, which isn't super healthy. I mean, you can make your own and it's better for you, but it's still really high in fat when you're using like a quarter cup of it. It's silly. So what I did is I made the orange Asian like citrus vinaigrette that's in your 21-day fix eating plan, and made that. I just put everything in a jar and shake it up. And then I do an orange as dressing, so I just portion that out and add it straight to my tuna or salmon. And then that's got so much good moisture in it, you really don't need to add mayonnaise or anything like that. So that's sort of my orange and my red for that. And just pile that on top. And then, you know, you could also add, depending what you have left, if you have 2 oranges in a day, you could add some seeds to it for some crunch. If you have a blue left, you could add some chopped nuts or some avocado for some good healthy fat. You know, really anything. It's really customizable. That's what's so fun about this plan. You know, if you had some leftover chicken or something like that, you could use that instead. So I'm going to go eat this up for dinner and probably put a bunch of cracked pepper on top too. And yeah, enjoy and good luck with day 1. Awesome job, guys. See you later.